Everybody, it's Jared Snyder. I hope that you guys are having an amazing Labor Day so far. We got a leg workout to get going today. It's Monday, time to get after it, time to grind. But anyways, I'm gonna show you how I get workouts in every day. I signed up for this app. It's called Beachbody On Demand. I also promote it. I help people get into the programs, and I also keep them accountable and just encourage them daily to get their workouts in. But anyways, I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you a little bit about it, and then we're gonna get after our leg workout. So this is the app. I'm using a Chromebook right now for it, and I'll just show you something real quick. It has lots and lots of programs for all types of fitness, like whether you're looking for weight loss, muscle strengthen muscles, and just tons and tons of workouts you get. Lean and sculpted, cardio, low impact, yoga, dance, kids and pre and postnatal workouts. We got short workouts under 30 minutes. We got rest and recovery. They're always upgrading and putting new stuff in here too, so it's pretty amazing. And we got a nutrition channel. So yeah, it has a lot of good content if you are seriously looking to lose weight or to just upgrade your health and fitness lifestyle. But I decided to do a 90-day program, which is Body Beast. And the cool thing about these two are that you got your program materials on each app, and then you got a workout calendar, and you can print all this stuff out. And so we are in week 3. So let's see. We're on build legs. And so we'll be getting started. And after you find out what you have to do, you just backtrack yourself. And then you go to legs, and as you'll see, whoops, sorry about that. You'll see build legs, and then shed fat, build muscle, and tone up. Focus on building powerful quads, hamstring, calves, and all that. And then so basically you'll just hit on the video, and they are really easy to follow.
Good job, guys. Let's have a shake.
So that being said, I'm gonna get my workout in. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave the links to get signed up into these amazing workouts, and just other ways you can get in my fitness groups. You can contact me. But anyways, I'll have some video footage of me doing the workouts, and have a great, awesome day. Next 2 moves we're doing, I'm just gonna show you. We're doing a rep of 15, 12, and 8.
I'm showing the exercise. 220, we got front lunges.
And he's just showing us what to do.
Alternating side to side. From there, I'm moving to the bench. Step up on the bench, going right to reverse lunges. Pay attention.
And they do have modifiers too, so
90 degree, right there on the opposite.
if you don't have the equipment, you can do these.